All right, I got a real short day today because I got a conference call with Humana Insurance at 3 o'clock. So it's going to be cutting into my creative time here. I'm going to change the position of this arm. I had it behind him, but I just think it's going to work out better this way with the gun being pulled out from underneath his belt. So I'm going to continue working on this gentleman's legs. Today it's going to be the left leg. As you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3 maquettes of the human male body. I have one more back over there. It's almost exactly like this one here. But they're really helpful in seeing how the muscles are constructed, and that's really important if you're doing a sculpture of a human. Now, I will put into the comments area a link to different sites where you can get maquettes. Maybe not necessarily the same as this here. I think they are. The only one that I don't have is for that big one. I don't know why I can't find it on that website where I got it originally. It could be that it's just out of production. But they've got plenty of items, but they're very, very, very expensive. I think I'll pull my camera in so you can see what I'm doing. I don't know why I'm going into such detail on the leg muscles. They're not going to be showing. They will be covered up by clothing. But I just like doing it because it teaches me every time I do it. I learn something. I think I might have his butt too big. There we go. They would have muscular legs because that's what they did. They walked a lot. There's a great book about the mountain men. It's called Journal of a Trapper by Osborne Russell. And you can get it online. It's a great book. It's a little hard to read because it's in his own words. He was an Easterner who went out west to be a mountain man, to trap and make his living doing that. When he got out west, he didn't even know how to handle a gun, a rifle. They were out hunting buffalo one day, and he picked out a big, large buffalo, and started shooting at it, and the buffalo was just standing there chewing its cud, sort of uninterested in what the guy was doing, because every time he loaded his rifle, he didn't put enough gunpowder in to push that bullet strong enough to penetrate the buffalo. It didn't even penetrate the fur. Buffalo have a real thick fur covered skin, and if you don't put enough powder in your gun, you're not going to penetrate it. And that was his problem. He wasn't penetrating the buffalo's fur. Okay, now it's time to do this hip. All right, I'm going to have to call it quits. I've just run out of time. If I don't quit now, I won't be able to eat dinner, and I won't be able to get this video out until late, and I don't want to be up late. All right, everybody, I'll pick this up tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. That's right. Okay, Tuesday. I am going to be going to the hospital on Thursday for my 4-week visit. I visit them every 4 weeks. And so I won't be here on Thursday and Friday. All right, everybody, have a great night. Let's take a look at this from far away now. I like the position of the arm now. It actually works out better for the total design, especially from this angle here. This angle. I know you can't see it, I can, because the wire is hard to see. But I think this is all going to work out really good. It's a matter of getting the clothes and the wrinkles of the clothes and all that stuff worked out. That's going to be the hard part. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.